everybody, I hope you guys are doing fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this pattern of cubes in a super easy way in less than 5 minutes in Blender. So in today's video you guys will be able to do this with the Bevel Modifier, which I will be explaining in the video, and in the final parts of the video you guys will be able to do this really cool looking pattern of cubes. So before starting the video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So the thing I wanted to show was to create a really cool rainbow cube. So to do that we are going to select the cube and then go to edit mode. And then we are going to deselect this vertex. But after that we are going to hold Ctrl then I to invert the selection. Then we are going to hold Shift and press S, then select cursor to select it. So after that we are going to right click and then set the origin to the 3D cursor like this. Now we can move the cursor back to the position it was, and with the origin over here we are going to duplicate this cube and then press to S. Then we are going to press S holding Ctrl. So we are going to scale it like this. Now we select this cube and then go to the modifiers, then add the Bevel Modifier. Then we are going to set it to the cube 0. Then we are going to set it to the cube 0.001. And then we are going to apply the Bevel Modifier. And then we are going to duplicate as, then hold Ctrl like this. Then select this cube, add a Bevel Modifier, then set it to the cube and then apply it. And then we are going to do this over until we reach over here. And now we are going to select this cube and scale them like this. And now we are going to repeat this until we reach over here. And now that the shape is ready, I'm going to add some color. So to add color, we are going to go to the material preview, and then in the materials we are going to add here a red material, and then change the roughness to 1, and then we are going to do the colors of the rainbow.
EDM for you.
So this shape is super cool. It looks like there's a hole in it, but it's actually like this. Okay, my friends, we have come to the end of another lesson. So in today's video, I hope you guys learned so many things, and I hope this video helped you guys a lot. So if you guys haven't liked the video yet, please go down and like my video. Hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.